Traditionally, we conceive architecture in our mind and then draw it. Then we create our own utopia where we believe that this is exactly how the building will function. However, if we look around, we notice that architects make buildings with a certain utopia in their head, and the buildings do not function like the utopia. The practice of adaptive reuse is a great example of this. The problem here is that we do not account for a simple fact while making architecture: the fact that the future is uncertain, and this uncertainty must be accounted for while designing buildings. The future is uncertain means that the program is uncertain. Even the language and the organization of the building cannot be pre-decided. Presuming that the future is uncertain, forms have to be based on aspects that are eternal and hence detached from human mind or humans themselves. Since the role of philosophy is to poke holes in our reality and architecture is the creation of a parallel reality, one can base the building on a philosophy. Hence, the function of the building here is to tell the world about the lack of a relationship between form and program, and by extension, that life and hence program is uncertain. The relationship between program and a stereotyped form comes from the memory. Memory comes from history, and history comes from understanding evolution of form through time in a certain chronology. Hence, in order to break the memory associated with form, we will have to overload our built form with all the formal memory of the context. This will enable the built form to have a lack of attachment to any time period.